Welcome to day 19 of our Excel in 60 Days Mastery Challenge. Today, we'll be discussing on how to create and use named ranges in Excel. I'll be giving you step-by-step explanation using different methods on creating name ranges in Excel. Let's start with the first method. The first method, we will create named ranges using the name box. So if we look at our data set, we have the product ID column, product name column, the category column, the price column, the units sold, and total sales column. Here we have the name box. This is where we refer to as the name box. It is the name box because it tells us the name of our cells whenever we click on the cell, okay? So we could use this name box to quickly create a named range. So let us highlight the product name column where we have our data, say from B2 to B6. We head on to our name box, click on the name box and enter the name we want to give our name range, say products underscore name, then hit enter. So we've given that range a name, and you can see we have it here, product name. So let us use the second method, which will be using the define name command in our formulas tab. We want to highlight the area where we want to name. So this time we want to name the price column. We'll head on to formulas. Under define name, we click on name manager. You can see we have the previous range we named using the name box. So to continue naming our new range, click on new, and it automatically picks the title of our column, which is price. So if for any reason you want to change the name, all you need to do is to take it out and add the new name. But we want to stick with the name price. So you can see that price refers to D2 to D6. So that range is correct. And the $sign refers to the absolute reference here. So let's go ahead and click OK. So you can see we have the price range named here in our name manager. So let us add one more. So let us highlight total sales to create for total sales. This time we'll just say create from selection. And you know that this is from the defined names group, right? Under formula. So click on create from selection and check top to indicate that the top row has our column title, and click OK. When we go to our name manager now, you can see that we have the total sales named appropriately. So these are three easy ways we can name ranges in Excel. So how do we use named ranges in formulas in Excel? So let us just insert, say, average sales here, average sales, total sales, okay? So we want to know our average sales and total sales. So our average sales will be using the average function, right? So say equals average, okay? Open our parentheses. So now instead of copying out these numbers or referencing this range, all we will need to do is to enter our total sales. Once we start typing it, you see it comes out here, our total sales. So you see our total sales range is highlighted, all right? So we can just close our parentheses and hit enter. Then we have our average sale. Let us calculate the total sale. This time, we will be using the function sum. Sum calculates total. We want to reference sales, right? Total sales, isn't it? We want to go to our total sales range, all right? Because we've named it, so it's easy for us to just use instead of utilizing ranges, okay? We hit enter. Then you can see we have our total sales. That is the sum of our total sales. Let's do a second example where we'll create a dynamic category filter. We'll use the function unique, okay? So let's say equals unique. Now we can use our product category and we want to say category, right? Now we have category as our name range. So hit enter. you can see that we have a unique set of what categories, because look at this. We had cosmetic, home care. So basically, if you look at this, we just have two items here, cosmetic and home care. We can also add a drop-down list using name ranges. Okay, so let me just add a column, okay, to indicate that drop-down list. Okay, say insert, and we want to insert our drop-down list here. Let's call this say product category. We have this highlighted. Let us go to our data tab, our data tools. We click on data validation, and we want to select from lists. Okay, so our source will be what? Our source will be our name range, and this time we are using category, right? So we'll say equals category, just as we named the range. So we can go ahead and click OK. When we click OK, you see we have our category just the way we named the range. So you see we can easily pick that up. So now, how do we manage name ranges? To manage name ranges, you go to formula, you go to your name manager, you see all of your name ranges. You can edit any of the name range if you are not comfortable with either the title or the range of the name range. And to edit is as simple as clicking the name range to be edited, click edit and edit it here. You can edit the reference range here and edit the title here, then click OK. To delete any name range, to click the name range and then hit delete. Okay, then when you're done, you click on close. Do remember to subscribe, share the link to as many people as possible to join the challenge. Thank you so much.